It's easy to get fixated on the doom and gloom headlines about real estate markets across the US saying values are going down 20% or the housing market is coming to a halt. But when it comes to Orange County real estate in particular, those national numbers and headlines simply do not apply. If any one of you are hoping for a crash-induced opportunity to enter the Orange County real estate market, you'll be waiting quite some time. So don't wait, and I'll further explain. I'm Tim Smith with the Smith Group Coldwell Banker Realty here with your May Orange County real estate market update. We'll dive into the latest real estate trends, data, and projections reflecting what's happening in our local market right now and prove wrong the clickbait national news headlines, which by the way is factoring in markets that are far different from ours and are reporting on closed sales from 2 to 3 months prior, which doesn't reflect what's happening now. My biggest advice to you is pair up with a real estate professional who's got their finger on the pulse in their local markets in real time so you don't miss out. All right, let's jump into it. The active inventory decreased by another 4% in the past couple of weeks, which has officially propelled us into a hot seller's market for homes that are priced accordingly. The active inventory dropped by 89 homes to 2,053 units, which is extremely low. For reference, the 3-year average before COVID was 5,780 available homes, or 182% extra, nearly triple where it stands today. So home buyers, I know you're facing difficulty in securing a sale due to the ongoing scarcity of available homes, but stay the course. Hit me up to hear about our pocket listings and know that the spring market, though delayed, is still coming. My prediction is that we're going to see a surge in energy. Once we drop below 1,500 total active listings, we're going to see a surge and a potential run in pricing going up. This is your classic supply and demand curve. And we remember this from 2021, early 2022, when we were under 1,500 listings and the market was insane. Demand saw a boost of 7% in the past couple of weeks, or 103 new pending sales, bringing total demand to 1,663 total. So we're seeing an uptick there, though overall it's been stifled since last June, but this doesn't mean prices have gone down. It just means we're seeing fewer sales overall. For homes priced with energy under the 10 million mark, things are still moving. Despite interest rates hovering in the mid-sixes, which on the one hand has subdued demand readings, an abnormally low amount of homes entering the real estate market is artificially keeping those same levels down because we can't buy what's not available, right? Homeowners, buoyed by their low fixed mortgage rates, are holding out for a dip in interest rate levels to entice them into potentially moving. As long as the interest rates remain elevated, this trend is expected to persist and will likely continue to strain the number of sales we're seeing. But once we reach mid-5s or lower, we're going to see a significant increase in activity from both buyers and sellers. The Orange County real estate market has been moving in favor of sellers with extremely low supply and increased demand, leading to an expected market time drop from 41 days to 37 over the past couple of weeks. At 37 days, the market is way hotter than the 84-day level we had at the start of the year. But this is more a function of a lack of supply than it is demand. Generally speaking, market time under 60 days denotes a very advantageous market for sellers. But when it dips down to 40 days or below, now you've got a hot commodity with multiple offers coming in, effectively creating an insane seller's market for homes under 10 million that are priced with energy. Coastal snapshot: active and coming soon single family residents in all of Orange County, a total of 1,446 single family residences. Newport Beach, 105. Newport Coast, 24. CDM, 48. Laguna Beach, 83. And Dana Point, 63. There are a total of 53 listings over 15 million available in Orange County, 31 of which are priced 20 million and above. There have been 7 closed year to date over 15 million in Orange County, 3 of which closed over 20 million. Right now, there's a lot of people waiting on the sidelines, holding onto their money. I get it. It's a bit of a herd mentality. But when inventory continues to strain under 1,500 total active listings, then competition for buyers in the market is going to spike. My honest opinion, we need some good weather and 6 weeks of no bad economic news, and we're going to see some real excitement in the real estate market. If you're a situational seller, maybe divorce, a birth, death, and your needs have changed, this is a really good time to get into the market because of the stagnant inventory. For buyers, the pros of entering the market right now are: number one, there are fewer buyers to compete with at the moment. Number two, there's some wiggle room in negotiations on a lot of overpriced inventory. There's a significant amount of inventory that's priced higher than comps, and as a result, have been on the market for a long time. Call me so we can strategize and get you into something before the market gets even more competitive. Thank you for tuning in for my May real estate update. If you're thinking of buying or selling, I'd love to discuss your goals. Click the link below to schedule a discovery call. I can't wait to hear from you.